Dubai's RTA will introduce variable Salik toll rates from January 31st, 2025. This new system is designed to reduce traffic flow, allowing the drivers to use the road on certain times without paying any toll. The variable pricing timing is all day of the year except for Ramadan days. Now let's look at the variable pricing during the holy month of Ramadan. On normal days and weekdays during peak hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you will be charged 6 dirhams. On normal days and weekdays off-peak hours from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 2 a.m., you will be charged 4 dirhams. On past midnight hours from 2 a.m. to 7 a.m., there is declared as no tariff. On Sundays, with the exception for public holidays and events, on peak hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you would be charged 4 dirhams. On off-peak hours, you would be charged 4 dirhams. And on past midnight, it has declared as no tariff. Salik maintains the same charging method for Al Safa North-South and Al Mamzar North-South toll gates. Currently, the fixed fee is 4 dirhams for passing any of the 10 toll gates across Dubai. Dubai will implement a variable parking tariff policy in March 2025, with premium parking charging 6 dirhams per hour from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Other public parkings will be charged 4 dirhams during the same peak hours. Off-peak and night, fees are unchanged. Free parking from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on all days on Sundays. Starting from 2025, 25 dirhams will be charged for public parking near event zones. Initially, near Dubai World Trade Centers where major events are happening. These changes will reduce congestion, providing flexible prices. Drivers should plan to use toll-free time and manage the parking expenses wisely. Thank you for watching.